Why it's important to know your wealth number. You need to understand your wealth number because you need to be able to break down that number to a month-to-month basis and see if that number is attainable. For me, my wealth number is $240,000. Why I say $240,000? Because that's $20,000 a month. I don't live like that. I live significantly less than that. So that creates a lot of freedom for me. $240,000 a year for me is freedom. That's wealth for me because I don't live like that. I live at about $38,000 a year, if that. See how I said I live at about $38,000 a year because I know my numbers. Once you know your number and your numbers, it's easier to see your freedom in the future in this wealth. This wealth thing people talk about. The last thing about knowing your number, anything you earn or gain above that number, that's free. That's free. That's free cash flow. That's even more freedom. So know your number.
The man to be.